Imagine a world without the sun. A chilling thought, isn't it? Our planet would be lifeless and dark. But thankfully, we have our very own lifesaver, the sun. This 4.5 billion-year-old yellow dwarf star is the heart of our solar system, holding everything together with its mighty gravity. Its super-hot electrically charged gas, or plasma, provides us with the vital heat and light that drive our weather patterns and power photosynthesis. The very process that sustains life on Earth. So before we delve deeper into the geography of this celestial wonder, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your loved ones. Let's spread the light of knowledge. Did you know that the sun is about 100 times wider than Earth? It's so large that it could fit more than 1,000,000 Earths inside it. This colossal star at the center of our solar system isn't just a big, bright light in the sky. It's a dynamic celestial body with a complex composition and fascinating behavior. Let's delve a little deeper into the sun's size and what it's made of. Imagine the sun as a gigantic glowing ball of super-hot electrically charged gas, or as scientists call it, plasma. This plasma isn't just sitting still though. The sun, like Earth, rotates, but there's a twist. Different parts of the sun rotate at different speeds. The equator zips around faster than the poles, creating a fascinating variable rotation known as differential rotation. The sun's size is truly mind-boggling. As we mentioned, it's about 100 times wider than Earth, but let's talk about what the sun is made of. The sun is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with hydrogen making up about 75% and helium about 25%. The remaining trace elements include oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. All these elements are in a plasma state due to the extreme temperatures. In this state, the gase's atoms are so hot that they've lost their electrons, creating a soup of ions and free electrons. This gives plasma its unique properties like the ability to conduct electricity and its distinctive glow which lights up our sky day after day. So, the sun isn't just a fiery ball in the sky, it's a dynamic, rotating body of super-hot plasma. Fascinating, isn't it? The sun doesn't have a solid surface like the Earth does. Instead, it has several distinct regions, each with its own characteristics. Let's start from the heart of the sun, the core. It is the sun's power station, where nuclear reactions create the sun's heat and light. The core is about 86,000 miles thick and has a density around 150 grams per cubic centimeter. It's so hot and dense that hydrogen atoms combine to form helium in a process called nuclear fusion. Just outside the core we find the radiative zone. This is where the sun's energy produced in the core moves outward as photons. These photons bounce around in the radiative zone for thousands of years before they reach the next layer, the convection zone. The convection zone is where the sun's energy, now in the form of heat, gets carried up to the sun's surface by the process of convection, similar to the bubbling of a boiling pot of water. Next, we come to the photosphere, the sun's visible surface. When you look at the sun, the photosphere is the part you see. It's about 300 miles thick, and it's where the sun's energy finally escapes as light. Above the photosphere is the chromosphere, a layer thousands of miles thick which emits a reddish glow that can only be seen during a total solar eclipse. Then, we have the transition zone, a very thin layer where the temperature climbs rapidly from tens of thousands to millions of degrees. Finally, there's the corona, an aura of plasma that surrounds the sun and extends into space. It's visible during a total solar eclipse as a shimmering, halo-like crown. From its dense core to its shimmering corona, every region of the sun plays a vital role in its functioning and the energy it provides to our planet. So, we've journeyed through the sun's geography, from its vast size to its complex regions, and understood why it's the lifesaver of our planet. We've discovered its immense scale, being 100 times wider than Earth, and its composition of super-hot plasma. We've explored its various regions from the core, the heart of its heat and light, to the corona. This celestial body, this yellow dwarf star, holds our entire solar system together with its gravity. It's the sun's energy that fuels life on Earth, making it our indispensable lifesaver. Remember to share this enlightening video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for knowing more of our universe. Together, let's appreciate our life-saving star, the sun. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.